Okay, here we have example 2 for this section, and it says construct an addition table for base 8 and then perform the following computations. Well, that's kind of crazy directions because you don't have to create an addition table for base 8. If you understand how addition and subtraction work in the different base systems, then you can do any of them. So keep in mind we're working in base 8, so we can only have 8 digits. So that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once we get to 8, now we're talking about a group of 8, so that would be a next column. Alright, so I want you guys to try this one using what we've learned from this past example and their introduction, and see if you can figure it out. So press pause now. Alright, hopefully you did what I asked and you attempted this problem on your own. That will help you to see whether you're starting to understand. But let's go ahead and let's go through this together. Here we have 5, 7, 3, base 8, minus 7, 7, base 8. Okay, so we know we cannot take 7 away from 3. So we're going to have to borrow from this 7, and now we'll have 6 of those groups left. But we're turning them into groups of 8. So I have to do it as 8 singles. So 3 plus 8, that would make that 11 total. And now I can take 11 minus 7, which would be 4. And now move to the next column. Well, we can't take 7 from 6, so we're going to have to borrow again. So I'm going to borrow from this column and make that a 4. Oh, I should have done that in blue. So sorry, hang on. Let me redo that. I'm going to borrow from there and make that a 4. But when I add it to the right column, I have to add it as a group of 8. So technically I'm doing 6 plus 8, which is 14. And now I can take 14 minus 7, which is 7. And then over here I can take 4 minus 0, which is 4. So my answer then should have been 474 base 8.